If you want to open a Mindspace on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. So the first method is to simply use the search button that we have on the home screen. We can tap over here and we can type Mindspace, and you should be able to find the app quite easily, just like that. Besides that, you can also open settings on your phone. So let's go to settings, there we go. Now over here we can scroll down and look for OPPO AI. Then in here we have the Mindspace, so we can go ahead and select it, and then we have Open Mindspace option. You can also add the home screen shortcut. So if we tap on home screen shortcut in here, we can add the Mindspace shortcut to the home screen, so then you can easily open Mindspace from your home screen, just like that. And also, another way, also by settings, by going to settings. In the settings, we can go to apps and choose app management. And then in here, you can also find the Mindspace. There we go. And now you can use this open button in here. This also works. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.